Hi guys, so I'm on Alg right now. So this is a Alg website. So when you log into the Alg, it will pop up. So it says, look, radical function homework. So that's the homework. So I'm gonna create it as a homework, but you need to do it on Alg so that I want you to make sure you can graph it using 4 different points. All right. So let's start it. So first, look at this. My question is square root of, that's too big, y equals square root of x minus 7, right? So guys, from here, we need to think about our initial point, right? So always that's the first thing we need to do. So let's think about this and think about this one, guys. You have only x, right? So I told you we can't have negative value for x. So your minimum x value will be 0. Or you can just think about the 0 of the inside. Or think about the transformation. Is there any transformation? Horizontal translation? You don't have any, right? So 0. Okay? And then, guys, if you put 0 into x, then you still have that minus 7, right? So square root of 0 minus 7, then you get what? 0. Negative 7. Right? Like this. So 0, negative 7, that's my first point. My initial point. Right? So you click this one. Oops. Come on. I don't know what happened to that one. Again. Okay, so you go to 0, negative 7. Okay, so I'm going to 0, negative 7 here. All right, and then you need to plot 4 different points, and then Alg will automatically graph the radical function. So we just got the first one, right? And then let's get the next one. And you know what? From this note, what did I say? What did I say, guys? Look. The difference is 1, 3, 5, 7, right? So I'm going to use that one. So from here, 0. So what do? You add 1. Okay, plus 1. And then what's next? 3. We're going by odd. 5, like that. Okay? So let's get the number done. So 0 plus 1, then you get 1, right? And then 1 plus 3, then you get 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So I'm gonna try this 4 points. All right? And then look, now I'm plugging 1 into my function. So square root of 1 minus 7, like that. Then that is what? What's square root of 1? 1. So that's 1 minus 7, which is negative 6, right? And let's put the next one. So 4, if I put 4, then you get square root of 4 minus 7. So what is that? That's square root of 4 is 2. So 2 minus 7, so you get negative 5. And 9, let's put 9. Then you get square root of 9 minus 7. What's square root of 9? 3. So 3 minus 7. So it is negative 4. Okay, so now I'm going to plot all the points. I already did this. Right? We already did 0 and negative 7. We already did that one. Right? I plotted already. And my second point, 1, negative 6. Right? So let's do it. 1, negative 6. So click this and then 1, negative 6. Oh my god, my point was wrong, this one. Because I put negative 7, 0. Oh man, I'm sorry guys. So 0, negative 7, so it's right here. 0, negative 7. And then 1, negative 6. 1, negative 6. My second point is here. And then 4, negative 5. So 4, negative 5 is right here. and then 9, negative 4. So you go to 9, no, 9, negative 4. 9, negative 4, it's right here. Okay, so now you got this 4 points, right? Then you just click that one. It's something wrong. You know what? When you're doing on the computer, because I'm using iPad right now, so it's like something is not working right now. So when you click this, then you will get this kind of radical function like this. God, let me try the next one. So when you do it, you will get negative 7 like this. You have this 4 points, and you're supposed to get this graph. All right, this is wrong. This is wrong. I don't know why. Like sometimes. But you will not have that kind of problem. Don't worry. All right. So, but the important thing is what we need to have this 4 points. Okay. Let me try next one, guys. So next one, I got this. Okay. So let me make this one a little bigger. So our function is f of x equals square root of x minus 2, right? So tell me, what's the 0 from the inside? Your 0 from the inside. So that one, x minus 2 is supposed to be 0. Then, you know that is 2, right? So our initial point is what? My initial point is 2. Okay? So you started from that one, and you put y for this. And then think about it, guys. Let's put 2 into here. Then 2 minus 2, right? So because I just substitute x into x. I mean 2 into x. 2 minus 2, so that is square root of 0, which is 0. Right? And then what's my next point? Odd number, right? You add odd number, guys. So 2, then what my next number will be plus 1. So will be 3. My next one is plus 3 because we are using odds, right? So that is 6. And then you add what? 5. Then you get what? 11. So those are your 4 points. Okay? And then let's see what happens. So if I have 3 for x, so you put 3 into x, then you get 3 minus 2. Right? And then absolute value of 3 minus 2, that is square root of 1. Alright, so that is 1. And then when it's 6, you put 6 into here, then you get square root of 4. So square root of 4, that is 2. You see it? We just, like, this is like magic number. So when you use this 4 points, you always get integer value. Alright? So square root of 11 minus 2, then what do you get? You get square root of 9, which is 3. So now I got my 4 points. So let's plot it. Hopefully this time it works. So first point is 2, 0. So we go to 2, 0. And my second point is 3, 1. 3, 1. So it's right here. My third, that's 6, 2. My fourth, 11, 3. 11, 3. Like this. Right? So once you complete plotting, you just press this one. You just hit this one. Connect it. Yay! This time it works. So that's my radical function over here. Okay? We call this point as initial point. How do you get it? You find the 0 of the inside. So you just think about the transformation. What do you do for this? From the parent function, we go 2 to the right. Nothing here. So 2, 0. Okay? Think about the transformation. So let me try one more for you. And then you do it. Okay? So, yes, I got it right. And next, let me try something like complicated one. Come on. Hold on, guys. Okay, let me try this one, guys. So it says f of x is 2 square root of x minus 4, right? And we need to get our vertex. Initial point, initial point, right? So you get 0 from here, right? What's your 0? X minus 4. That is 4, correct? So x, y, and I'm gonna make a chart. So 4, we started from 4, okay? But this time you have this multiplier, so you know that's vertical stretch. So we already know if this is regular function, because you have 2, the graph's little higher than that, because you stretch it vertically, right? So we already know the shape, but we just want to find the exact graph, all right? So when x is 4, you put that in, then you get 2 radical 4 minus 4. Then what do you get? 2 times by square root of 0, which is 0, right? And our magic number, plus 1, plus 3, plus 5. So go by plus 1, then you get 5. My next number plus 3, then you get 8. And plus what? 5, correct? 1, 3, 5. Then you get what? That's 13. So that's my magic number. And we will find the function value for those 4 numbers only. Because other numbers, you will get like infinite decimal. So what's the point of that? We cannot even plot it. So 2 and 5 minus 4, right? Then what do you get? 2 square root of 1, which is 2. And that one, we put 8. So square root of 8 minus 4, then you get 2 square root of 4. 8 minus 4, which is 4, so you get what? That's 2 times by 2, right? So it will be 4. And for that one, 2 square root of 13 minus 4. What's 13 minus 4? 9. Then you know square root of 9 is 3. So 2 times by 3, then you get 6. Alright? So now we got all the points. 4, 0, 5, 2, 8, 4, 13, 6. So let me sketch that. So, good. Alright, so 4, 0. 4, 0. And then 5, 2. And 8, 4. And 13, 6. 13 and 6. Like this. Right? And you graph it. Yay! Okay, then you're done. So this is the homework. It's kind of fun, guys. Enjoy it. Alright? So today's Friday, so please complete your homework. And also, if you didn't complete your quiz, you still have time to April 3rd. Okay? So please complete everything so that you can get like all credit. Late work is better than 0. Okay? So, alright, that's it. So have great weekend. Have fun at home. Don't go outside. Please stay safe. Alright? Okay guys, bye-bye. See you on Monday. If you have any question, text me, alright? Bye.